Ladies and gentlemen, today is a celebration of wildlife and conservation.
And you all know it, it's thanks to Steve Stream. We can bring animals to you from all around the world.
These marvels flying over your heads as applause, native to Central and South America. These colourful characters are pretty hard to miss, both in sight and sound.
There are 17 different species of macaw, and they range in size from a small parrot all the way up to a hyacinth, which can grow to over 1 metre long.
And they all have unique personalities and looks. Those feather lines on their faces are just like our fingerprints, meaning that they are unmatchable to any other.
However, unfortunately, because of their beauty, the people are stealing them from their forest homes and selling them as pets. But make no mistake, it is all of you that can help to keep these beautiful birds flying free. That's by always saying no to the illegal wildlife trade.
And trust me, you do not want a pet bird that can live to be 100 years old, but will remain forever as hyperactive as a 5-year-old child.
Well, Taylor, I think we should take this from feathers to scales.
Now, some of you may think of our next guest joining us as friends, and others might think of them as foe.
But here at Australia Zoo, we believe snakes are just really misunderstood.
Check out the snakes making their way through the Crocodile. You will notice they are of the non-venomous variety, and they're grown up right here at Australia Zoo, so they're feeling very comfortable around people.
However, if a wild snake is ever feeling cornered or threatened, the only thing it can do to protect itself is to bite. So it makes sense that the people who tend to get bitten are those who are trying to catch or even kill a wild snake. Now here in Australia, we're pretty unique as we're home to more species of venomous snake than non-venomous. And speaking of venomous, we have an extra special treat for you. In this bucket, we have Carl. Now Carl is one of the most venomous snakes we can show you in our museum. It's important for you to understand that to handle a snake like Carl takes exceptional skill and years of experience. So I must emphasise, do not try this at home. Taylor is a trained professional and we just want to show you how amazing these reptiles truly are. Taylor, what are you doing with Carl?
I don't know, Shannon. I put him in there myself. There's no way he could have got out.
Taylor, there's a huge hole.
Oh no, what you think?
Guys, check out this little beauty I found at the back. Isn't he just amazing?
Cassie, what are you doing? You know you shouldn't be handling wild snakes.
Oh, Shannon, it's fine. It's just a friendly non-venomous snake.
No, Cassie, that is Carl, the most venomous snake we have in the Crocodile.
This is Carl. Do you want to take him from me? Does anybody, guys, I think I'm in a bit of trouble here. I think he's going to bite me. Oh no!
Well, that was dramatic, but everyone remain calm. The first aid for an Australian snake bite is actually really easy and effective. Now the first thing to remember, if you're ever bitten by a snake, is to keep calm and keep still. The more you move around, the more that venom will circulate around your body. Perfect, Taylor. Let's get her up to the stretcher. Oh, Cassie, what have you eaten today? Taylor, that's not what I meant. Well, it is clear we do love our snakes here in Australia Zoo. But seeing as Taylor is no help, it's time to get serious and call for some backup. Now, thanks to Luca, I have exactly what I need, which is a compression bandage. If you don't have a bandage or a bird, don't sweat it. An item of clothing or even a belt will do the trick. Thanks, Luca. Now for everyone on this side, take a look at the big screen for a better view of what I'm up to next. Now once we've located that bite site, you want to wrap it 3 to 4 times and cover the rest of the limb. Not too tight to cut off the circulation, just the same amount of pressure you would use on a sprained ankle or a wrist. Once your patient is all bandaged up, call an ambulance. Make sure they remain calm and still until that help arrives, and always let that ambulance come to you.
Well, that is some great advice, Shannon, but Cassie, taking a closer look at Carl, he's made of rubber. Yeah, you're a big drama queen, and we better get out of here so that Cassidy can take you all to the wetlands.
Our Australian wetlands are home to a huge diversity of bird life, and there are some species that will wade through the water in search of their prey. I would love to introduce Douglas, our jabberoo. Also known as a black-necked stork, these birds use the chatter of their beak and long wings to communicate, as they don't have a voice box, just like we do. But check him out as he makes his way through the water. You'll notice he uses those long, skinny legs, sharp, spear-like beak and precision to catch his prey items. The prey items jabberoos are going after are fish, crustaceans, eels, and even juvenile crocodiles. Now, graydjumpers are also sexually dimorphic, which means you can tell the males and the females apart just by looking at them. Douglas, being male, has a dark coloured eye, whereas the females have a vibrant yellow coloured eye. But whilst Doug has long legs, allowing him to wade through the water in search of his prey, there are those that have web feet, allowing them to dive as deep and as fast as the fish. And that's exactly how our cormorants like these two catch their aquatic meals. We've just been joined by Albert the scuba. Albert,